Let's take a look on how you can enable the ONVIF protocol on a Hikvision camera. You just need to come here to your web browser and you log in with your username and password. And then here on configuration, you're gonna find this menu here on network, advanced settings, and then you come here to this tab that says integration protocol. Here you can just check to enable the ONVIF protocol and also create a user. You see here that I have this username as admin, and here the level is administrator. It's important to have administrator here so it works pretty fine when you're adding the camera to any device. For example, here I have this Ugreen device, which is a NAS. That's the DXP4800GT. So I can have videos being recorded here via the ONVIF protocol. Okay, let me just show you how it works. Basically, you see that I have ONVIF already enabled here on my camera. And then I come here to this NAS. And here you see that I have different cameras from Axis, and I can add a new camera here from Hikvision. When I hit here to add a new camera, the system already shows the Hikvision camera just right here because the ONVIF protocol is enabled. So I just click add, and here I just need to enter the username and the password that I have there for the ONVIF user. We just double check. There we go, that's the one that I have. And I just hit OK. And here it says the camera already has backup files, right? Because I had this camera working before with this Ugreen NAS. So I just hit OK. And the camera was added successfully to the Ugreen NAS. And I'm good to go. I hit done, and you see that I have the Hikvision camera working here, right? So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can enable the ONVIF protocol on a Hikvision camera. Then you can add to devices like this Ugreen NAS and other ones, right? I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, and I see you in the next video.